Fashion shiny sequins ladies waist belt square pin buckle belts for women elast. Fashion shiny sequins ladies waist belt square pin buckle belts for women elastic waistbands gold. Silver color jeans belt. If you're looking for a stylish and comfortable belt to add a touch of sparkle to your outfit, then this sequins belt is a great option. It's made of a stretchy material that will conform to your waist, and the square pin buckle adds a touch of sophistication. The belt is available in a variety of colors, so you can find one that matches your wardrobe. Here are some of the pros and cons of this belt. Pros: stylish and eye-catching. The sequins on this belt add a touch of sparkle to any outfit. Comfortable. The stretchy material makes this belt comfortable to wear all day long. Versatile. The belt can be worn with a variety of different outfits, from casual to dressy. Cons: may be too sparkly for some people. The sequins on this belt can be a bit too much for some people. May not be durable. The sequins on this belt could come off if they are scratched or rubbed against something rough. Overall, this is a stylish and comfortable belt that is perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to your outfit. If you're not afraid of a little sparkle, then this belt is a great option for you. Here are some additional details about this product. Material: elastic. Sequins. Size: one size fits most. Color: gold. Silver. Care instructions: hand wash cold, dry flat. Where to buy? This belt is available for purchase online at a variety of retailers.